That was so primitive.
I wonder if that would piss off any kind of analog demon in any kind of way.
I don't know. I kind of think it probably would.
Just what the heck was that?
It's more analog.
All right, that's it. I'm coming out.
You don't have the
I'm
guts.
tired of this
You don't have the
acoustic,
guts.
primitive storytelling music. Here I come.
Hold on.
He's
Wait,
coming
Grant.
out.
Grant, pull out the trap.
Wait,
Pull it
yeah,
out.
Grant,
Turn
get
on
the
you mean
VCR analog
push play
signal
it.
scrambler
Push record
beam.
on the VCR.
Stat.
Oh, wait.
Push
record on the VCR.
Get oh! Oh! Oh no!
Push play.
Push play on it.
You don't have the guts.
Let's get him.
Bring it.
It's coming live.
Yeah,
Bring
gotta
it.
tune it in. Gotta tune it in. Gotta.
Oh, he's so
Parking
terrified.
ticket,
This is
stealing,
terrifying.
sandwich eating, stupid.
Get him, Grant.
What the heck?
What the heck just happened?
It's just.
What
happened
to Trevor?
It's just his
shirt
now.
Trevor's gone?
But he was just there.
Wait, what?
Trevor? Wait. No! I guess the analog demon took him. It took him. It took him while he was we were trying to catch him. And, oh God, it got him. The analog demon sucked him.
I see what's
It sucked him. It sucked him right into the VHS tape. We were trying to trap him in, and now he's gone forever. Oh, what are we ever gonna do? We are gone. Trevor's gone forever. TrevorForever.com. He's gone.
Hashtag Trevor.
Listen, Ivan,
Grant.
I need you to
Nat.
snap out of it.
Ow.
Listen,
Nat.
all right, listen. I know what's happened.
What happened?
The analog demon has sucked Ivan into this VHS tape.
Trevor.
Trevor. Oh, yeah, him.
That guy.
I just met you guys.
It's right. It's fair. 2 syllables. What? Wait. Is that where Trevor and the Big Bad?
Trevor
Drake?
and the Big Bad are on this tape, which can never be watched. Because if you try to watch this tape, then sometime within the next 7 days, if you don't get someone else to watch, oh wait, sorry, that's a different tape.
Oh,
if you
that's
ever,
the ring.
if
Yeah.
there's a, yeah, that's got a familiar ring to it. But this is a different tape. If you watch this tape, not only will Trevor be released, but the Big Bad will be released. So no one can ever watch this tape. It must be kept safe. And oh yeah,
Oh, it's tragic.
Hello, boys.
what the hell?
What is happening?
I believe I will be
What?
taking
It's
that.
Boris.
Hey, those are our green beams. Give those back.
These are my green beams.
Oh my
I have
God! It's
Tim,
Boris
my
the
vodka,
Boar.
And now the analog demon tape.
Oh
What
God!
will happen next?
Why?
What?
Find out.
I feel like I'm hanging from a cliff here.
Find out when, Boris the Boar?